Stop witchcraft activities in your life. If you face any witchcraft activities for your life, I'm going to teach you how to stop it, okay? I'm going to teach you how to stop witchcraft activities. I also get other videos on how to stop witchcraft activities, on how to liberate yourself, on how to stop any evil activities where you don't like for your life. I get other videos for it. But today I'm teaching you how to use hardened fruit, which is known as brekese, and your anti-witchcraft roots, anti-witchcraft wood together. How do you know you are facing witchcraft activities? You will see things not going well. You will just wake up for middle of the night with strange dream, with bad dream, or you see bed, they make noise for your compound in the middle of the night, or you hear cats, they make noise for your compound. You go know say there are witches and wizards monitoring you. So it's good you stop them before they stop you. Another way for you to know, say you dey face witchcraft work, which is witchcraft, but you don't know. When you wake up, you will see unnecessary mark for your body. That mark where you dey receive for your body, now there backwardness, now there disappointment starts. Another way for you to know, say you dey face witchcraft activities, you go dey make love for dream. Or you go wake up, you go see yourself wet. And they always tell people, say, not be everything be all spiritual husband or spiritual wife. No, there are some people that witchcraft, they inside their matter. Not be mariners, not be say because they belongs to water, they belongs to fire, they belongs to anything, and they disturb them. No, now evil people, they manipulate them. When they say and say good things when they come, they'll come make love with you for a dream. Or they go do them in the way we say, if you wake up, you will see your body wet. And the more you keep seeing that, the more difficult things become for you. Best way promise you not go give you. Why? Because you are facing a very strong signal spiritually that is affecting your physical life to progress. Okay, so with this, you are going to stop it. You are going to see things manifest. You are going to see it. Not just do this ritual, you go just stop. No, continue to do this ritual, okay? You're going to stop every witchcraft activities, every evil manipulation that is all about witchcraft is going to go away from your life, okay? So you are doing a cleansing. This is anti-witchcraft root. This is anti-witchcraft root, which is not a bulb, okay? And this is brekese. Now you're going to pound this in a mortar. Pound it very well in a mortar, okay? Depend on the size where you want. If you still do, put for big container. Pan, put for big container, then keep them. Anytime when you see, say, you want the face witchcraft activities, you start your assignment, okay? So you don't need to pound again. Pound this anti-witchcraft root. You pound your brekese. You pound everything into powder form. You can keep brekese one side. On another container, you can keep adding fruit one side, or you add their two together to keep for one container. It all depends on you. Why you need them separately? Maybe you always the day busy and you want to use adding fruit powder or brekese powder, it go dey easy for you. You want to use anti-witchcraft powder, it go dey easy for you. Why it's good for you to pound all those things yourself? May you not buy the one where they don't pound. Say the one where they don't pound, they don't already miss some. But if you by yourself pounder, you know waiting you pound, you know waiting there inside. You are going to do this ritual in the middle of the night, and you can use 1 week or 2 weeks to do this cleansing. Just focus on this cleansing. Focus on this particular cleansing. Get your water in the middle of the night. Take your normal shower first. Get your water. Put the pounded items inside that your cleansing water. Then add sea salt into it. Yes. Add your sea salt into it. Then bath from head come ground. Okay? When you bath, you don't need to towel your body. You don't need to dry your body. Trust me, if you are facing any witchcraft activities in your life, it's going to stop. You are going to start seeing divine manifestation from God. You're going to start experiencing good life, new things in your life, okay? So you only need to pound once it's 12 o'clock in the midnight, or 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Each and every one of us have the specific time our ancestors, our guardian angel, our God want us to wake up to pray. It's not mean that I wake up 12 o'clock, you have to wake up 12 o'clock. No, you need to share the time where God wants to make you to wake up. All right, so when you bath finish, go your bed, go sleep. again, because this one at 12 or 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock, now you take do and go back, go sleep. Even as you dey sleep, you go see revelation. Okay, you go see what God go do for you. You go see, I mean, God get anything where you want to destroy by yourself spiritually for their coven, you go see him. All right, thank you all so much. I remain your box mom. Do this and experience divine manifestation. Okay, you can also check other videos for you to see more rituals. Okay, in this channel I do rituals, I do spiritual teaching on daily basis. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I remain your box mom. Bye guys.